Hello, my name is Andrew Hoagland and welcome to the Fregati training video. By the end of this training video, you as an assembly supervisor at Fregati should know how to handle emergency situations, communicate advancements in technology to the assembly workers, and teach the assembly workers how to operate the machinery. Before we start the training portion of the video, we want to let you know who we are and what we are all about. We are an automobile manufacturer based in Lexington, Kentucky, and we are focused on creating the fastest and most luxurious vehicles on the market. We have about 1,500 employees who work at 3 different facilities spread across the U.S. Here at Fregati, we have 5 core values that every employee must live by day to day. Core number 1 is be reliable. Core number 2 is be safe. Core number 3 is be innovative. Core number 4 is care more. Core number 5 is have integrity. We believe that every employee must exemplify these core values each and every day.
Hello, my name is John O'Brien and I'll be telling you more about Fregati Motor Company. We are the standard of excellence. We believe in building faster and more efficient cars while still providing the best in luxury vehicles. Here at Fregati, we value the character and work ethic of all of our employees. We are a family-owned organization, which means that we truly care about all of our employees. We are trying to create a family-like environment to make sure that everyone is comfortable working here. We value our employees because they are what make us so successful. Since they are the reason for our success, we are very focused on our employee satisfaction and making sure they are happy working for our organization.
Hello, my name is Colton Becker and I'll be talking about the population today. At Fregati Motor Company, we have a wide variety of population as an equal employment opportunity. We have hired both men and women from a variety of ethnic backgrounds and across multiple age groups. Furthermore, the highest level of education attained by our employees range from high school degrees to master's and postgraduate level degrees. The individual with the highest level of degree will be our supervisors, that being supervisors of employees or the processes in the plant. Generally, people with the lowest level of education are our assembly line workers. Our population is made up of the following. Our race, we have 40% white, 20% African American, 25% Hispanic, and 15% Asian. Our age group is 60% are between the ages of 18 and 30, 30% are between the ages of 30 and 50, and 10% are above the age of 50. Our marriage and children status, 40% are single, 60% are married, and 70% of individuals have children. Our degrees, 80% have college degrees and 20% have high school degrees.
Hello, my name is Tanner Mobley and I'm going to talk to you today about scheduling, conflicts between employees, and emergency situations. For all managers during scheduling, they should modify shift durations or have shift changes often. Employees should be scheduled during normal work hours to acquire more profit. Each manager should learn the biorhythms from each employee. Some employees prefer to work night, prefer day. They should also take requests. The most important step to scheduling is to leave the scheduling up to the employees. During emergency situations, if you ever are in case of an emergency situation, you should dial 911. In case of a fire, make sure all customers are out of the store and in a safe location. You should also know the location of all first aid kits. Each manager should be CPR certified. Conflicts between employees on the floor. Each manager should respond quickly if they see a conflict on the floor. Allow each party to tell their side of the story. If conflict continues, the manager has the option to terminate the intended employee. The most important part of conflicts between employees on the floor is do not offend either party. Take care of the situation professionally. And finally, try and keep both parties calm and motivated. Fregati wants to make every individual satisfied at the workplace and have it enjoyable for employees to come back and work.
Hello, my name is David Snyder. The effects of technology have impacted the job position of assembly supervisor in many ways. With the changing times of technology and organization implemented in the workplace, the role of a supervisor has dramatically changed. Data can easily be recorded and analyzed for production rates of subordinates within the company, which in turn will benefit the company in the long run. Also, assembly lines have been able to produce cars at a very efficient rate. As a result, we can conclude that technology has impacted the workplace of the assembly supervisor in a positive way.
Hello, my name is Hayden Thompson and I'll be talking to you about operating our machinery here at Fregati. By definition, being a manager is somebody who is responsible for directing and controlling the work and staff of a business, or a department within it. This means that you must oversee and control a major part of our operation, which is a big commitment and a lot of responsibility. In order to teach the skills necessary to be a floor manager, you must first understand every specialized skill used by each person on the floor. This means that you, as a floor manager, must know in specific detail how to operate every piece of machinery on the floor. Without these skills, you would not be able to react in an emergency situation or be able to solve problems that are necessary and a part of your job as a manager. First thing you must learn about our machinery is obviously how to operate every different piece of it. This task will be hours of training and requires a lot of responsibility. You must know and learn all of these procedures as well as be able to supervise and show the actual floor workers how to operate them as well.
After watching this training video, you should be able to handle emergency situations, communicate advancements in technology to the assembly workers, and teach the floor workers how to operate the machinery effectively. And on behalf of every employee here, welcome to Fregati, and thanks for listening.